Say what as well, what it did again that I want to appreciate, they honored students and institutions that are disability friendly, that are taking disability to high levels. I was like to be awarded an award as the female disability student ambassador. And my college also got an award as an institution for disability friendly. People with disabilities, they need SRH services as good as any other person.
Young people, we need services on sexual reproductive health rights, cancer screening machine, condom testing and counseling should be available. So he said.
Because of that. So we are trying to avoid that in a Zimbabwean context till people have actually accepted and they actually agree. Number two, equal rights. We love rights, but then if that right is detrimental to me, it becomes actually an infringement on me. So as long as even I want to be gay, but then I cannot express myself, then that means my life is in danger from people. Even for an example, examples of Kenya whereby they test gays. How do they test them? This is pretty obvious. I'll not talk about it. But then this becomes actually an infringement and it brings about issues of torture. And we are saying that till then, because we have democracy, yes, we love democracy and we actually love it and we have it. But then the problem with democracy is that it supports the majority. And right now, the majority in Africa are going to infringe on our gay friends, which are the minority. So till we educate the African society, then let us not legalize it. Actually, the Constitution of Zimbabwe does not say anything about not accepting gay relationships, but then it says marriages. So these people, whilst they're expressing their freedom in their private lives, let us try to educate our society more, such that when we reach a point of accepting them, then we legalize gay marriages. So we are actually telling that the parameters of this debate and the context that we're basing this debate on, which is Zimbabwe and Africa, it is very important because Africa is not yet ready. If it is still a problem in liberal countries such as the United States of America, then what more Africa would have our friends being murdered out there, and I wouldn't want to lose my funny friend because I actually love him enough. This is the disadvantages of democracy, ladies and gentlemen. The fact that democracy actually does not want to accommodate the individual, but it accommodates social constraints. And we are saying, as long as we have the social constraints, then our friends' rights are actually infringed upon because we've got society running my life. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we actually need to protect the minority. And that says it becomes a conflict of interest. And still, we are saying, as the opposite, that we love gays, we love them, but then we're saying that legalizing it now is not yet the time. Till we educate the African society on accepting diversity and the fact that my personal life does not have anything to do with my professional life, like such as the St. John teacher, it is important. And when Africa has actually accepted the diversity, because we are going through a youthful population, so me and Tembane are actually hopeful that in the years to come, we can legalize. But right now, it is still detrimental and in danger of the minority that are there.